Usa siya sa mga angay natong atangan sa umaabot nga afternoon drama series ang Little Princess. We have Kapuso Artist Gabrielle Hahn. Maayong buntag, Gabrielle, and welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live. And congratulations, Gabrielle, for your new offering dito sa GMA Network next year, itong Little Princess. Kumusta naman yung lock-in taping experience mo?
Ako mismo ang magtatayo ng sarili kong kumpanya. Ako magbibigay ng trabaho sa iba. Itagaan yan sa kilay ko.
Little Princess.
Sabi nga, hindi ko maganda.
Mamaya anak kong nagmana sa akin.
Soon on GMA.
I'm very lucky because I'm with a team who I super admire, appreciate, from the directors, assistant directors, my stylist, Ray, my makeup artist, Bree. Everyone in the team is amazing. I feel so lucky to be blessed with such an amazing team, and they just made this whole experience great for me.
That's good to hear. Kaya naman we'd like to know, ano yung gagampanan mo sa buhay ni Princess dito sa Little Princess at paano mo bibigyang kulay ang series na ito?
Well, I play the contrabida. She's actually she's a marketing account manager. She works in an accounting firm, which actually is also what I used to do. I used to work in marketing. So at that sense, I find it very relatable. So, but because she's a contrabida, there's a twist. You know, it's this show and how I envision my character is something I try to make very relatable to the viewers. So I really hope a lot of you get to watch it because it's a lot of fun, like portraying her.
We're very excited to watch Little Princess, lalong-lalo na dahil ito yung parang mahuhulog na first di ba? First series mo, Gabrielle, tama ba?
It's my first ever teleserye as a contrabida or as a main character, so I'm very excited.
And we're very excited to watch you dito sa Little Princess. Kaya naman, Gabrielle, please invite everyone na abangan ka dito sa Little Princess.
Abangan niyo ako. Watch me on GMA for Little Princess. So I hope you guys all get the love, the joy, and the blessings that you deserve this Christmas season.
Daghang
Thank you.
salamat!
Thank you, Cecil.